On a warm, sunny day, a clever orange cat named Moti sat by the riverbank, eyes fixed on the rippling water. His tail flicked with excitement. With quiet paws, he crept closer, waiting patiently. Suddenly, a shiny fish jumped near the surface. Splash! Moti pounced and landed with a splash, his paws gripping the wiggling fish. Proudly he dragged it to the shore, his fur dripping wet, but eyes gleaming with joy. Villagers watched and clapped, cheering for the little fisher cat. Moti purred happily, enjoying his fresh catch under a shady tree,